What's good? It's your boy David. David McQuay, D Matrix, D23. Coming to y'all with a new video. Today I'm gonna be sharing hair moisturizers, right? Hair moisturizers I use and I've tested for hair growth and strengthening. So your hair will grow more and you strengthen your hair as well, so it's more stronger. Yeah. So currently I have cane rolls. I've been using it for like a whole month every day, and let me show you the cane rolls which I'm about to take out after I've come to the end of this review of hair moisturizer. So it's a bit like that. As you can see, I've had it in for like a month, and I've been using coconut oil and Jamaican black castor oil. Coconut oil, good for shine and good for hair growth. 100% pure coconut oil. You can get whatever types you like, just search on Amazon coconut oil, you find it there. And Jamaican black castor oil. I actually used to use this when I had 360 waves, and it makes your hair grow. It makes your hair grow quicker, it's got strength, and it also makes your hair a bit more darker than other moisturizers would use. So like, yeah. They've been in for a while, as you can tell. So I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks like now with it taken out. I'll be right back. What's up, y'all? So as you can see, the braids are out. The braids are out. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash and condition it. You guys, you can go back to my previous video, the hot oil treatment. That's our wash and condition. If you need the reference, because I'm not gonna put it in this video, I'm just gonna skip that. And I'll be back after I moisturize it and I blow dried it out. So this is it with the braids out. After 4 months of using the coconut oil and the Jamaican black castor oil. Yeah, so let's get it. I'll be right back. Yeah guys, I'm back. So I washed it, conditioned it, and I combed it out. This is the end result of using the 100% coconut oil and Jamaican black castor oil for 1 month with my braids in. So as you can see, it helps it grow. There's more strengthening to the hair, and the hair looks a bit more tinted. Yeah, so that's it. So that's the end of my moisturizers that I use for hair growth and strengthening. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, comment, subscribe, and like, and of course share if you want more people to have this information. So it's your boy David signing out, aka D Matrix D23 signing out. Peace out, guys. Bye.